It's your girl Ro in the building, and I'm here to welcome you to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my Valentine's Day special edition. Let's make some Valentine's chocolate chip cookies. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite desserts, and that's chocolate chip cookies. Now, if you are ready to make something special and something sweet, then let's go. Now, here are the ingredients that I will be using in this video, and as you know, I will leave those links and the recipe in the description box below this video. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off with our sugar and our butter, and we're going to melt our butter in the microwave until it's completely melted, and we're going to add it right to the bowl. Then we're going to add in our granulated sugar and brown sugar. And we're going to mix that until it's well combined. Now let's add in our next ingredient. We're going to add in our egg, flavor, and salt. And we're going to mix this until it's well combined. Now, taking our dry ingredients, add them together, and we're going to add it right to our wet ingredients. And we're going to fold this until it all comes together into dough form. Now, once your dough is complete, now it's time for the coloring. So I'm using a dust color that is by one of my favorite vendors, and that is the Sugar Art. I will leave the link in below, but we're going to add in just a half teaspoon of coloring. Not even a half teaspoon. You can add in like 1/4 teaspoon of coloring. This is very pigmented. This is a very pigmented color, and it works well. You just have to work that color into the dough until the color forms. And as you see me do here. Now see, this is a beautiful color. All right, we're going to take our chocolate chips and we're going to add them to the bowl, and we're just going to combine this all together until the chocolate chips are well blended. And now you can either freeze your dough or you can make your cookies right after you have mixed your chocolate chip. In next clip, and you can freeze the dough for 30 to 45 minutes and then begin to bake your cookies. But if you choose not to wait, then you can go ahead and make your cookies. Now this is a small batch, so this makes between 6 to 9 cookies, and you can double the recipe. So if you're going to freeze your dough, you want to wrap it up in saran wrap, and then just place it in the freezer. or you can place it in the refrigerator. All right, whichever one you choose. But I let it sit in there for about 30 to 45 minutes. And then I take it out, and then I'm ready to make my cookies. So I got some extra chocolate chips that I'm going to add to my dough balls once I roll them up. And then I'm just going to insert them around the top of my dough and have them all set nicely before I bake. So what I'm doing here is just cutting down my sections to create my dough balls. I'm making them fairly large because I want a larger cookie. So when you do take them out the freezer or the refrigerator, let it unthaw for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then roll your balls and place them on your cookie sheet. Make sure you line it up with some parchment paper. And once you have got your cookie dough balls on your cookie sheet, then you're ready to bake. You want to preheat your oven at 350 degrees and cook your cookies for 14 to 18 minutes, depending on your oven. So what I'm doing here is adding in my chocolate chips, setting them all on the top of the dough. And make sure they're spaced apart. And now they're ready to go into the oven. Now, once you have removed your cookies from the oven, you want to let them cool for about 5 minutes because you don't want them to break apart. But, ooh, these cookies are to die for. So, that is it. These are one of my favorite treats. And I love chocolate chip cookies, especially soft ones. So let me go over some packaging with you. This package I love is multi-purpose. It's a multi-purpose package. You can use it for donuts, cookies, whatever dessert that you will fit into this box. But I have some Valentine wax paper for food purposes. Y'all want to check that out? Make sure you go to the link. All right. And I'm just going to place it in the box, and this is how I'm going to line up my cookies. So I hope you all enjoy. And don't forget, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And you guys, I'll see you all in the next video. For watching my video, and if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Be sure to hit that notification bell to always let you know, and it will remind you when my next video will post. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to watch these next videos that you see here listed on my channel. It's your girl Ro about to go, and I'll see you in the next video.